Now, the third objective, applying the product, quotient, chain rules on complex functions, including exponential and logarithmic functions, by creating your own function. So what we're trying to do is to create a function here that includes a product, chain, logarithmic, exponential, and trigonometric function. In that case, so basically I need two things multiplied, that's to apply the product rule. I need something in a bracket to apply the chain rule or in a square rule. I need a log function, I need an exponential function, and I need a trigonometric function. There are lots of different ways to do so, but this is how I'm going to think about it. For instance, I'll say since I need both a product and a chain rule, I'll start with the product rule. I need two things multiplied. There should be a logarithmic and an exponential. So I'll start with log base 2 of 3x squared, let's say. This is a logarithmic function. I need a trigonometric function, so I'll multiply that by sine 2x, for example. So there's a product rule done right there. But still, I do need a chain rule. Okay, and I still am not done yet with an exponential function. So I'll think maybe I'll change the angle of the sign. Instead of 2x to an exponential function, I'll put it as e power 2x. Now that's an exponential function. And instead of just putting this whole thing as it is, I'll change that to either, there are one of two options. Either you put sine squared itself, so then there will be a chain rule applied, or you can put this whole thing in a power of 2, let's say. And that's it. That's your function. When I look at it, there is a power of 2 all over the whole thing, so the chain rule is applied. There are two functions multiplied, product rule applied. There is a logarithmic function, so it's right there. There is an exponential function, yes, e to the power of 2x. There's a trigonometric function, yes, it's the sine. So to solve this one, y prime will be, the first thing you see is a chain rule, so I'll multiply 2 at the beginning, leave whatever is inside the bracket as it is, and then I'm supposed to multiply by the derivative of what's inside, and what's inside is a product rule, so I'll get the derivative of the first one, derivative of log something, which should be 6x, which is the derivative of 3x squared, over the original, which is 3x squared, multiplied by len, the base of the log. All of this is just the derivative of the first part. Now the second one as it is, so sine e power 2x as it is, plus the first one as it is, log base 2 of 3x squared, multiplied by the derivative of the second. The derivative of sine something is supposed to be cosine, the same thing, we never change the angle. Then we multiply by the derivative of the angle. The derivative of the angle is e power the same thing multiplied by the derivative of the power, which is 2. And that's it, done. Try it yourself.